Hello everyone, it's me, Chef Louis Corpuz. Today we're gonna cook some Ilocano Daddy Meal. Ilocano Daddy Meal. First is you need the good meat. You need to order good meat from the link below, and you're gonna need a charcoal. This charcoal is made of mahogany. You need to get that right temperature, like you need to have a food temperature. Okay, join me later. We're gonna drink some Ginebra San Miguel. This is Louis Corpuz Daddy Meal. Okay? Ooh, look at this. This is the good meat. Ooh. We already have that right volcanic temperature. So we will be putting the meat. This is Ilocano Daddy Meal Barbecue. Oh. It's me, Louis Corpuz. So this is the second batch of our super It's So Beautiful Daddy Meal. Ooh, just salt. It's Ilocano Daddy Meal. This is the most beautiful barbecue I've ever seen. It's Ilocano Daddy Meal pork.
The best. The best ito na sa mga inihaw today. Oh wow, sarap. Inihaw ito na pork. Okay ba, Rio? Ayos lang?
Yes, Tito. The good meat yan, Tito.
Yes.
Open for franchising.
George, I have here.